Guys, today I'm looking at the 537 LED ring light from Yarrashop. So in an absolute sea of these ring lights, what, apart from the fact that it comes in pink, white and black, makes this one worth buying? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, with thousands of us making more and more videos and taking more and more pictures every day, there comes a point in your life that you're going to need some light. So a mini ring light could be the answer. Now, this 537 from Yarrashop was sent to me for my honest review. And you know guys, if you follow my channel, you know whatever I'm sent, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad or indifferent. So let's get it unboxed and see what we have. First off guys, when you open that box, everything is pretty well packed. You have some simple instructions and then all the light pieces. So nothing too different here in comparison with other ring lights. You have a base, an adjustable pole which extends from 18 to 45 centimeters. You have a mobile phone mount which can be rotated for both landscape and portrait, and you also have this inline remote control, and it's all powered by USB. So you know what, that's pretty cool. And guys, you could use a battery pack to make this light truly portable. Oh, and not to forget, you have the 8-inch light itself. So what makes this F537 LED ring light worth buying over others? Well, let's start with the base. Now, this base is nice and heavy, and you've got a rubber section on the bottom, so there's no slipping or scratching your desk. The phone mount is well built. I mean, I've got to tell you, this is all metal. The bottom part is all metal. Yeah, there's a bit of plastic in here, but predominantly it's all metal. And I've tried, I've not tried, but I reviewed and tried a lot of these different lights. And you know what? I've got to say that everything on this, even the phone mount, is really, really solidly made. So that's quite nice. Predominantly metal, a few bits of plastic, but the bits that count are made really well. So guys, the nice thing about having a nice strong pole and mount and all of that is you can actually use it to mount other devices quite happily. You know, if you've got a projector, even if you want to use it to put a smaller camera on top, you can. So like I said, usually it's all flimsy plastic, but not this one. It's solid. Also guys, this F537 has an inline remote control, which is pretty nice. So I'm connected to a battery right here. I'm going to just flick this on, and so you see here you've got 3 color modes. So I'm just going to turn this on first of all, and here you've got these 3 color modes. So this is like a warm light, this is like a kind of brighter white light, and then you've got another warm light. So these are your 3 color modes, which, yeah, I'm going to actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on me. It's going to be a bit, it's not going to be so great. I'm going to turn my studio lights off. It's not going to be so great in the sense that, let me just pop it behind here, in the sense that it's in front of the camera, but it's actually lighting me quite well, right? And I'm going to change the light modes. So here you can see the warm kind of light mode, and that's quite nice. And you know what, that's all right. I mean, sorry about the shadowing under the camera, but quite nice. Then we flick to the other one. Okay, there's a little bit of shadowing behind me, but you know, in the grand scheme of things, it's not that bad. And here we're going to a kind of more neutral light. And what I'm actually going to do I'm actually going to film this on my phone camera. Let's do that. I'm going to film this on my phone camera so you can kind of see without the lights in the way. Sorry, without the camera in the way. Here we go, that's all set up. Right, so let's click to video. Let's film myself. I'm going to just adjust this. Oh, so much to do. Right, let's just adjust this up a little higher. So there we go. Right, so now I'm filming. Let's press record. Right, so now I'm filming this on my iPhone, so you can't see the ring in the way, which is quite nice. And I'm going to change those light modes once again so that, you know, the light isn't being affected by the camera pointing at the light. So this is the neutral one. This is the warm one, which, yeah, is pretty warm. I'm indoors. This is pretty dark in here. This is the other light mode. So there we have it. You can see the different light modes. I'm just going to move this out of the way. Let's stop recording. Move that out of the way. In fact, you know what? I'm not going to stop recording. I'm going to carry on recording this again. So back on the iPhone, I'm just sort of adjusting it a little bit, but back on the iPhone, this has also got 10 brightness modes. So if I'm looking here, I'm on the full brightness here. I can turn these modes down and you can see how that looks. So it gets pretty bright, right? You can hear the clicks, right? And actually, that's pretty good. Like, this is like brightness 1. This is on an iPhone, and to my eyes, which aren't always that great, it doesn't look too bad. And again, switching to the neutral, switching to the warm, and there you have it. Right, let's get this out of the way. Let's move this out of the way. Right, there we are. Let's switch the studio light back on, and there we are. And the nice thing, guys, is this light is also flicker free, which is great. 10 brightness levels of flicker free light, because again, I've reviewed a lot of these and they're pretty, I suppose, of varying quality. So now, depending on your filming or shooting location, you can also tilt this ring light, so you can kind of bounce or deflect your light as needed, right? So that can add shadows and definition and all of that. I'm going to turn it off because probably adding a lot of unwanted shadows and all the rest of it. So, and you know what, guys, all of this for £35. You know what? It's a really cheap way to get yourself some decent video or photography light. And I know it's really not meant for this purpose, but given the fact that this is USB and you can run it off of a battery pack, you can keep it in your car as an emergency light, which I think is better than a torch because the light dispersion is wide and controllable. So guys, there you have it. This is a really useful and well-made ring light. Lots of controllable light for a small amount of money, and you know what? Also cheap to run because it's USB and it's LED. It's cheap to run in today's world of crazy expensive electric, and hugely portable. Guys, I'll leave any product links and discount codes in the description. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Yarrashop for sending me this F537 LED mini ring light. If you have any comments or questions, you know what to do. And guys, if you like the video, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon. Guys, thanks to you, thanks to Yarrashop. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.